She is a business owner and a freelance IT consultant in the area of automation. She is also deeply involved in community service. Harini is a board member of San Hokin Kannada Sangha, a non-profit organization, and she has also served as a Kannada teacher at the SJKS, where she has imparted knowledge and values to young Indian American children of Kannada descent. She has learned Sangeeta from Srimati Vaidehi Sudarshan in the past and is currently learning Sangeeta from Vidushi Srimati Srivalli Sridhar. Harini has a strong affinity towards yoga as well. Her journey in the divine art form of Bharatanatyam began recently when she started learning dance to encourage her younger daughter, Tarini, who would learn only if Harini learnt as well with her. So that was basically her condition. If Amma learns with me, I do dance. So Harini herself is training under the expert guidance of her guru, Sri Sanjay Shantaram sir. She finds that Bharatanatyam deeply connects her to spirituality. It is a source of happiness that enriches her life, fosters inner peace, and strengthens her spiritual connection. The performance that she is going to present is a beautiful piece praising the goddesses Lakshmi, Saraswati, and Parvati. Lakshmi is the goddess of wealth, prosperity, and fortune. She is often depicted as sitting on a lotus flower, symbolizing purity and spiritual power. As the consort of Lord Vishnu, she plays a very vital role in maintaining the balance of the universe. Her lotus-like attributes emphasize her beauty and divine nature. Ma Saraswati, on the other hand, is the goddess of knowledge, music, art, wisdom, and learning. She is often depicted holding the veena and a book symbolizing her mastery over arts and sciences. Ma Saraswati is seated on a white lotus or a swan, representing purity. Devi Parvati, the consort of Lord Shiva, is also known as the goddess of love, the remover of sins, the supremely beautiful and divine Shakti. She is often depicted with Shiva, signifying their inseparable bond. Parvati is revered in various forms, including Durga and Kali. Each Devi plays a very crucial role in the lives of every devotee, offering blessings and guidance. Today's performance celebrates the divine attributes and benevolence of Lakshmi, Saraswati, and Parvati. Set to Raga Kalyani, Aditala, penned and choreographed by our Guru. Please join me in welcoming Srimati Harini to the stage as she graces us with her performance.
स्वशक्त्या युक्तो यदि भवति शक्तिः प्रभवति न चेदेवं देवो न खलु कुशल स्पन्दितुमपि अतस्त्वामाराध्य हरि हर विधीन्द्रादिभिरपि प्रणन्तुं स्तोतुं वा गतमकृत पुण्यः प्रभवति गतमकृत पुण्यः प्रभवति गतमकृत पुण्यः प्रभवति भगवती लक्ष्मी सरस्वती पार्वती शक्ति अम्मा 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 पद्मासनस्थिते पद्मप्रिये पद्मे पद्मासनस्थिते पद्मप्रिये पद्मे पद्मासनस्थिते पद्मप्रिये पद्मे पद्मलोचने पंकजवदने पद्मलोचने पंकजवदने पद्मलोचने पंकजवदने पद्मलोचने पंकजवदने पद्मासनस्थिते पद्मप्रिये पद्मे पद्मलोचने पंकजवदने पद्मासनस्थिते पद्मप्रिये पद्मे पूर्णानन्दमयी पूर्वी कल्याणी पूर्णानन्दमयी पूर्वी कल्याणी पूर्णचन्द्रमुखी पूर्णकलापाणि पूर्णानन्दमयी पूर्वी कल्याणी पूर्णचन्द्रमुखी पूर्णकलापाणि पद्मासनस्थिते पद्मप्रिये पद्मे पद्मलोचने पंकजवदने सारि सनि सनि निदद पमग निद पमगरि निद पमग मगरि सारि सनि सनि निदद पमग निद पमगरि निद पमग मगरि गम्मद निददनि सनि गरि सनि सगनि सारि निरि सदा निपद नि सगनि सनि दपद निद मगरि सा स स प प प ग म पद निद गनि सा स स प प प ग म पद निद गनि सा स स स प प प ग म पद निद गनि सा पाप विमोचनि पामर पालिनी अम्मा अम्मा पाप विमोचनि पामर पालिनी पाहि मां पल्लवी शिवप्रिये भैरवी शिवप्रिये शिवप्रिये पाप विमोचनि पामरपालिनि पाहि मां पल्लवी शिवप्रिये भैरवी पद्मकरे श्रीं लक्ष्मीदेवी पुस्तकधारिणि सरस्वती पावनि हरिणि पार्वती परम सुंदरी श्रीशक्ति पद्मकरे श्रीं लक्ष्मीदेवी पुस्तकधारिणि सरस्वती पावनि हरिणि पार्वती परम सुंदरी श्रीशक्ति सारि सनि सनि निरद पमग निद पमगरि गरिद पमग मगरि स गौपद निरि ददनि सनि गरि सनि सगरि सारि निरि सद निपद नि सगरि सनि द पद निरि नि द मगरि स सा स स प प प ग म पद नि द गरि स स स प प प ग म पद नि द गरि स स स प प प ग म पद नि द गरि पद्मासन स्थिते पद्मी पद्मलोचने पंकजवदने पद्मासनस्थिते पद्मे पंकजलोचने पंकजवदने जय जय जननी कल्याणी 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 अम्मा